Hey, and welcome back to your Irish dance class. Today we're going to be learning the Ulvacon reel, the lead around. This step is only 4 bars, but we repeat it on the right and left foot. So in total, it's 8 bars long. It's like this because it's still in the beginner levels. Level 2, Ulvacon, is not too far ahead. So we're trying to make it as easy as possible to remember and execute, all while learning how to switch our weight. First, I'll teach it to you straight so that you get the idea of how the step should look. Starting with our right foot in front, we start with a jump over or a jump 2-3. So lift the foot, jump, make sure your knee is facing down, very important, and your foot has come up, pointed to the opposite side in the back. If it doesn't reach all the way, if we're stuck out here, that means you need more flexibility. A really good stretch for this would be literally just doing this and wiggling it around until this becomes very easy to do, like it is for me. Okay, and jump over. Again, let's just practice the jump 2-3. Lift, jump, 2-3. Here we should be looking at our straight knees and our toe height. Also getting the jump a little bit higher than the previous level. So if before, for example, we were here with the jump 2-3, now maybe we can bring it up to here. Jump 2-3. Of course, this is all based on how your flexibility levels are. If you're not doing any flexibility training, not doing any yoga kind of thing, Pilates, stretching, you should get on that now. Very essential to Irish dancing. The next step that we're going to need is a switch. So this is when we point our foot to the front, almost like a point, but we switch it to the next foot. So we have this one in front, and we switch to this one, putting our weight on our left foot with our right foot in the air, then putting our right foot down and bringing our left foot in the air. And that happens very quickly, and it should be out to the front. Switch. Some schools prefer to overcross all the way over. That's a more modern technique to doing this. I prefer the straight and a little bit more natural way of doing it, which is out to the front and switch out to the front. Let's practice it a few times. Switch, 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 switch. This is a good exercise to practice pointing. Let's say we're not going to point our feet. It's just hanging out there, a little bit wobbly, no strength. It'll look like this. And you'll probably be too slow. You won't be able to do it as sharply. That's why we have to practice doing this. Point to the front, point to the front, point to the front. Similar to the ballet bar exercises. Very helpful in conditioning the body and also recovery from injury and flexibility training with your ankles and your toes. So this, tension in the knee, tension in the ankle, tension in the toes. Switch. From there, we're going to do a 2. When I say 2, it means I take a step. Switch 2. Put all my weight on my left foot. And then from there, I'm going to do a skip 2. And the 2, I'm switching my weight again to my right foot. Remember the skip 2-3s? And skip 2-3, and skip 2-3. I'm only bringing this up because we're going to use the first part, skip. And then I have 2 instead of 2-3. So instead of going and skip 2-3, like we're accustomed, we're going to be cutting that step and going skip 2. Up at the back, foot on this side, knee down, hop, place it down, put your weight on it to 2. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Try to get it right in front of you. The steps we know until now, to unconfuse you, would be jump 2-3, switch 2, skip 2. Okay, let's try that in a straight line from the back. Jump 2-3. Left foot is in front now. Switch 2. Put my weight on my right foot. And skip 2. Then we go on to the next thing. Yes, it's normal that this is difficult because you've not had to switch your weight so quickly before. That's what we're learning in this level. So you'll have lots of time to practice it. Now after that, it's going to get a little bit easier. So we're doing another jump 2-3. Starting at the beginning, jump 2-3. Switch 2. Skip 2. Now with this left foot, we're going jump 2-3 again. jump, 2, 3. Now we're going to cut hop. Cut hop. Now, directly from the cut hop, we're going point. Cut hop point. Hop back. So, where are we jumping? Cut on the point. No jump because we're going to jump on the hop back. So the beat is da 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 da. Da 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 da. Cut hop. Point no hop. Hop back. Let's go over it. Jump, 2, 3 with the right foot. Now the left's in front. Switch, 2. Weight on the right foot. Skip, 2. Instead of putting all my weight on the left foot, I need it to jump again. So I keep it back here. Jump, 2, 3. And now cut, point, hop back. Good. That's it for the right foot. Now we do the same thing on the left foot. And left foot. Jump, 2, 3. Switch, 2. Weight on the left foot. Skip, 2. And then jump, 2, 3. Now with the left foot in front, cut, point, hop back. Great. Okay, let's try both feet together going forwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Now we have our left foot in front to start. On the next step, let's try it again with the words now. And jump, 2, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. So we've learned it straightforward. Now we're going to try to do the lead around in a circle, as it should be done. Facing completely forward first, toe to heel position, and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2, skip, 2, jump, 2, 3, cut, point, hop back. Turn to face the front on the hop back, as usual. Starting with jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2. Skip, 2. Jump, 2, 3, curving around. Cut, point, hop back. Left foot to go back around the circle. Jump, 2, 3, and switch, 2. Skip, 2. Jump, 2, 3, cut, point. To the front now. Hop back. A very key point to this is that you make a circle and not an oval. So some advice I would have is trace the floor. Your starting point and your ending point is the same here on this line on my floor. And I'm going to go around in a circle. Now, I could go farther to the camera, but that would make an oval. So, as in kindergarten, we're going to trace this circle, just walking, seeing where I need to go. Probably about here is good. Maybe a little bit smaller. But here, going all the way around and starting right back here. If you're unsure of what that circle really looks like, can't imagine it, you can trace it with chalk or something that comes off the floor, preferably. Do not be marking your floors. Electrical tape. And that's how you can visualize your circle, at least to practice getting the circle for the lead arounds. Because if you make an oval, a rectangle, or a diamond, or any other shape that it's not supposed to be, that will definitely dock you points. Congratulations, you have learned your Olvicon reel lead around. Now all you need to do is practice, practice, practice. If you're not understanding something about this step, that's what this kind of class is for, the tutorial, where you review what I explained. So feel free to play it again and again until it makes sense. If that's still not making sense, you can ask me at any time about any of the things that I'm teaching you here. If it's more of a rhythm thing, you don't know how it goes with the music, with the timing, okay, that means we need the with music video. So go to that one to see how it goes with the song. If you're just needing to really internalize the names of the steps with the right rhythm, then that means you're probably wanting the demonstration video. That's all for me for today's class. Have fun while you're practicing, and always remember to do your best. And don't forget the stretching. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Happy dancing.